Welcome to our How to Mix the Albany Concentrated Adhesive video. I'm going to show you how to properly mix the Albany Concentrated Adhesive. And this adhesive is perfect for all types of wall coverings, including traditional paste-to-paper, non-woven paste-to-wall and vinyls. And I'll show you how easy it is to mix the adhesive so you can prepare for your project. The Albany Concentrated Adhesive is non-staining and can be ready to use in less than 10 minutes. This adhesive has zero VOC and contains antibacterial and anti-mold additives, which make it ideal for both residential and commercial use. Before you mix the adhesive, it's best to make sure that the wall is clean, dry and free from dust, mold and grease. And I recommend you repair any holes or cracks before you start your project, since you always want to have a smooth, clean surface. You must use clean water and a clean bucket. You will also need a measuring jug or cup to measure the correct amount of water, plus a clean stirrer. 1 pouch mixed with water will be enough adhesive to hang approximately 6 to 7 rolls. The dilution ratio of water and concentrate depends on the type of wallpaper, so you'll need to determine what type of paper you are installing. On the roll label there are symbols indicating if your paper is a paste-to-paper or paste-to-wall product. Please refer to the mixing instructions included with your order or on our website under the FAQ section for the number of ounces or litres, depending on your global location, of water you'll need to adhesive concentrate. Next, follow these 3 simple steps. 1. You will need to measure the correct amount of water, room temperature, not hot. 2. Then shake the concentrated pouch to make sure the ingredients are blended prior to adding it to the water. 3. Take your stirrer and stir the water by hand to create a whirlpool, and while you're stirring, slowly pour the concentrate into the whirlpool. Never use a power tool to mix, always stir by hand. Then let the adhesive sit for about 3 minutes and then stir it again. Wait a further 5 minutes and it will be ready to use. The adhesive mixture will be off-white and will be the consistency of a soft yogurt. You are ready. As a reminder, please keep out of the reach of children and animals and dispose of waste responsibly. I do hope this short video has been helpful. If you have any questions, most of the information is on the packaging, but you can always contact our knowledgeable customer service team before you start to mix the adhesive. You may also visit our FAQ section on our website for written mixing instructions. Now, head over to our other how-to videos, including your wallpapering toolkit and how to hang wallpaper.